Hello, I'm Tim Kosnoff, founder of Kosnoff Law, and I've spent decades fighting for survivors of institutional child sexual abuse, securing justice against powerful organizations like the Boy Scouts of America, where I've represented thousands of victims through their bankruptcy process. Today, disturbing developments in the BSA case demand attention. A group of survivors, backed by heavyweight attorneys from Deschert LLP, including Yale professor G. Eric Brunstad, have filed to terminate their fee agreements with the Slater-Schulman firm. They're accusing Slater of serious misconduct, allegedly deceiving over 14,000 claimants for more than a year by hiding that their claims were flagged and under investigation by the settlement trust as problematic. This isn't just a paperwork issue. It's a betrayal that delayed transparency, eroded trust in the bankruptcy system, and caused real harm to survivors already waiting for accountability and fair compensation. I was a lone voice in the bankruptcy case arguing that the plan should be rejected because it deprives survivors of their legal rights to sue non-debtor entities that got a free pass, the sponsoring organizations, churches, civic organizations, and many local scout councils that got off the hook for little or no contribution. I argued that it violated the bankruptcy law and the Constitution. The Supreme Court agreed with me but apparently believed the plan had progressed too far for it to be unwound. Mass tort quick-buck scoundrels like the Slater law firm supported this unfair and profoundly corrupt bankruptcy settlement, and now have compounded insult with real injury to their own clients. In the BSA bankruptcy, survivors have only seen pennies on the dollar so far, starting at 1.5% of their claim's value, now inching up to about 4.7% after appeals were rejected. Yet firms like Slater took hefty 30–40% contingency fees while allegedly withholding critical information. The claimants are right to push back, asking the Delaware Bankruptcy Court to step in, reduce or deny those fees, and restore integrity, just as courts have done in past mass tort cases. I've seen too many institutions and their representatives prioritize profits over people. Survivors deserve lawyers who are transparent, ethical, and fully committed to their healing and justice, not games that prolong suffering. This move could set an important precedent for holding mass tort firms accountable in these complex bankruptcies. If you're a survivor of abuse in the Boy Scouts or any institution, and you're questioning your representation or need real advocacy, reach out to Kosnoff Law. We've been in the trenches for you from the start. No shortcuts, no deception, just relentless pursuit of justice. Thank you for listening. Let's keep fighting for the truth and the recovery survivors truly deserve.